tutorial. Today I am showing you how can you see any integer between 1 to 10. So like if you add it 11, this will not. You can see that value doesn't match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. So what you have to do first? So first, like I want this cell like this, like just 1 to 10. You can see 1 to 10. Okay, what you have to do? First, you have to click this cell, then go to the data tab, then click data validation. After this, you have to just click allow and you have to just select hold. So there is a minimum, you have to select 1 and maximum that is 10. Then okay. Now if I write this cell, see the value doesn't match the data validation. If I type 10, then okay. If I type 9, okay. If I type 8, okay. But not more than 10. If I 0, not. See? So you can do it easily like this with data validation. Thank you so much.